In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Ludo on Messenger. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is open Messenger on your device and sign in to your preferred account. Once you're signed in to your preferred account, go ahead and head over to the specific conversation where you want to play Ludo games to. And here, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom left of your screen. As you can see in here, there's no option to play games, which means that it isn't possible for you to play games using your account. So go ahead and search for another user on Messenger and click on the plus icon at the bottom left of their screen and click on the play games button. Now in here, go ahead and look for Ludo games in the selection of games that you can find on Messenger. Ludo game is a classic board game that originated from the engine game Achi. It's a strategy game for 2 to 4 players where each player raises their 4 tokens from start to finish based on the rules of a single dice. It's a fun and engaging game that combines luck and strategy, making it a favorite for family and friends. Once you've found the Ludo game under the games available on Messenger, you can just go ahead and click on the game to start playing the game. Let the other user know that you're playing the game so that they can join you playing the game anytime they're available.